Now, this is a tutorial on how to register your users, that is your students and your parents. Alright, to register your parents and your students, you click on admin panel. You should be logged in as an admin or also a teacher in that class, but mostly the admin of the school. So on the admin panel, you have the students and you have the parents. That's where you separately manage the two. But we're coming to the students platform. So once you click on students, it opens the page where you manage your students, you register and you can see your students' details, you admit your students, you can change their classes, you can deactivate those that have left, and manage the subjects of the different students. So to go ahead to register your students, on the students page, there is a button admit students in red. So you click on admit students. So once you click on admit students, it shows you a form that has a student details form, where you put the last name of the students, you put the first name of the students, then if they have other name, you put it, you select the class you want the students to be in, you select the subclass you want the students to be in, that's the Pearl, Amber or Opal, you choose, okay, then you can put in the email of the students, put in the registration number of the students, also select the gender of the students, that's male or female, then the religion of the students, Christianity or Islam, choose the date of birth. For the date of birth, you choose the year first, then you choose the month, then you choose the day. Alright, student type, you have the new student or the returning student. So for the new student, this means that there is a fee that is attached to new students, or there are some features that are for the new students. So that's why you do the new students. While if you want the student to be a returning student, it means you don't want that fee or you don't want that extra feature that is attached to the returning student. Then the next one you have is you can upload the child's passport, or you can click on next. So once you click on next takes you to where you can register the parents. So at this point, we are asking you if you already have the parents already registered on the system. So this means that there is an existing sibling that already have the details already. You can assign the parents. You can see the phone numbers of the parents. Assign the parents to that particular child. So if I say this child should be attached to these parents, meaning that once Mr. and Mrs. Kelvin logs in, they will see the details of John in their platform. So if Mr. and Mrs. Kelvin has 3 children, once they log in, they can see the 3 children's information. Then also peradventure, if for some reason the parent is not registered, that is a new student with a new parent, you can click on yes. So add a new parent, change it to yes. Yes means you want to go ahead to register the parents. When you select the relationship, you put the parent's name, you can put the phone number of the parents, put the email of the parents, the address of the parents, the state of origin of the parents, the religion and the local government is optional. Only the things on asterisk is compulsory. The occupation of the parents, the religion of the parents, then you can submit and continue. So once you do that, the system automatically registers the students, generates the serial number of the students. So now on this page, you will see the student's name, the age, parents, this student is not attached to a parent. You can see this type, old or returning students, that's old or new students. Passport, there's no passport. You can see the class, see the subclass, see the subject that the student is offering. So if peradventure you don't want the student to offer a particular subject, you click on subjects and you can unassign the subject you don't want the student to offer. I don't want to offer house, I don't want to offer literacy, and you can click on the good sign. Automatically those subjects will be removed from that student's portal, or the teacher won't be able to put in scores for that particular subject. Then you have the serial number of the students, then you have the result settings. So there are 3 major result settings. There is the exempt results, there is the do not check results, there is the can't login. The exempt result, this is a setting where the system hinders the child from participating in a school result due to such reasons such as illness. So if there are reasons like illness, or for some reason the child traveled outside the country is not being able to write the exam, you can exempt the child from doing the results. Then there is do not check results. That is, you don't want them to check their results because they are owing school fees, or for some any other reasons you don't want this child to be able to check results. You select do not check results. Then you have the can't login. The can't login is if you don't want them to be able to log into the system at any point. So you don't want them to log in because it's going drastically, or for some reasons you cannot select can't log in. So if I click on the empty, I can select can't log in, do not check results, or exempt results for any of these results setting, and click on the good sign to submit my request. Then if I want to remove it, I remove on tickets and automatically it clears. Then you have the next thing is the mode. Under the mode, you have the active, the left school, and the block. The left school is that once a child leaves the school, you change the mode from active to left school. You click on the good sign, meaning that, okay, this child has left the school. Blocking the child means you don't even want the child to be able to access the portal at all for any reason. So you have the left school. If the child returns, you can change it back to active, meaning that the child is back to the school. So you cannot change it back to active. Then you have the action. Under the action, this is where you see the students' details. You can see the password. You can change, you can delete the student's account. To change password, you click on password. Here you type the new password of each student, and you confirm the new password and you submit the new password. So that's how you change the password. Then the next thing you have is delete. That's how you delete the student. That's if you're no more, the student is no more on the screen, you can delete. Then you have the edit. Under the edit, this is where you can edit the student's name, upload their passport, their first name, their last name. You can see their serial number. So anything on the blue color and the dotted line means you can edit it, their date of birth. You can see the parent's serial number, parent's password, see the parent's details. You can edit the parent's information for that particular child. So that's what happens in the edit button. Then peradventure the student was registered without the parent's information. On the student page, you can click on other parents and click on register parents. Here you can register the parent directly into the school, that's directly into the portal, without having the just registering the parents without being registered when the student was registered. So yeah, after you've admitted the student, you now found out that you didn't have the parents' information, you can go ahead and now put in the parents' information, and then put in the children that is assigned to that parent, so that once this parent logs in, they will be able to access the details of these two children, and you fill in the details and submit. Automatically the parents will be registered. Nevertheless, on the admin panel, we still have the parent platform where you manage your parents directly, where you can monitor your parents, see, register your parents, access, assign your parents to different children. You can see each parent, you can see the number of children that they have, you can see that they are active. If you click on action, you can edit, you can change their password, or you can assign more students to that particular parent. So that's how this register parents and admitting students works. Thank you very much.